Hello you guys, welcome back to my channels. I'm Zvi from class E12 and today I will talk about these topics: paper test versus online test. Shall we begin? Firstly, I think that I should explain the term paper test and online test for you to get to know better. So paper test means that participants take a test on the papers in the testing room, and the other thing is online test. That means participants sit in front of the computers and take the test via the internet. There is no doubt that technologies is already permeating the world of exams, especially in the times of COVID-19, and will continue to do so in the years ahead. However, this raises the questions of which type of exams are best for students. So which are the difference between paper tests and online tests, which is advantage and disadvantage, we should write down now. For these topics, I will divide it into three main aspects. The first one is security, the second thing is promptitude, and the last one is problem, as may happen during the test. About security, which I mean here is cheating. When you sit for a paper test, there are very few cases of cheatings because of the strict supervisions of examiners, and all electronic devices are absolutely prohibited, so that students have to study on their own and they have to do the test independently. In contrast to the paper test, the online test is still a new type of testing, so that university may haven't yet had their suitable supervision so that students can cheat very easily. The second aspect is promptitude. For the paper test, participants have to gather in the place holding the test, which take time and effort to travel, without considering to other factors like weather or traffic. Different from that, it is more convenient to take an online test, as participants just have to sit in front of their laptops and wait for the time to accept to the test. And the final aspect is problems. There are not many problems may come up with the paper test, and if they are worse, they may be related to the answer sheet and can be very easily dealt with. But with the online test, there will be a lot of problem may suddenly come up, and they are totally hard to solve immediately, like internet connections, or cannot access to the test, or maybe that is power off. In conclusions, for these topics, whether on-paper tests should be replaced by the online test. So in my opinions, I don't agree with this. I think both kinds of testings have its own strengths and also weakness. They can support each other and provide students with a suitable test, and it also depends on the situations, so we can choose whether take online tests or paper tests. For example, during the COVID-19, you cannot go to school, so how can you take a paper test, right? So I think that online test during these times is a good choice. And after the COVID-19 times, when you can go back to school, and it is more suitable to take a paper test, right? So this is my opinions. Thank you for watching. Hope see you guys soon.